Pond maintenance. Keeping your waters clear and healthy. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pond maintenance. This topic is not only interesting but also quite practical if you have a garden or love nature. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to maintain a pond. Pond maintenance is a compound noun, where pond refers to a small body of still water, typically one formed naturally. Maintenance is the process of maintaining or preserving someone or something, or the state of being maintained. So, when combined, pond maintenance involves the activities and actions taken to keep a pond clean, healthy, and beautiful. Maintaining a pond is crucial for several reasons. It ensures the water is healthy for any fish or wildlife, prevents algae and weeds from overgrowing, and keeps the water clear. This is not just for aesthetic reasons but also for the ecological balance. Healthy ponds contribute positively to the environment by supporting biodiversity. 1. Cleaning debris. Regularly removing leaves, twigs, and other debris is essential to prevent rot and maintain oxygen levels. 2. Algae control. Algae can be controlled by limiting nutrients in the water, often by using specific treatments or introducing algae-eating species. 3. Water quality checks. Regularly checking and adjusting the pH levels and other water quality parameters is crucial for a healthy pond. 4. Managing plant life. Ensuring that aquatic plants are not overgrowing and are healthy contributes to the overall well-being of the pond. For those interested in more advanced techniques, this section could cover topics like installing filtration systems, aeration techniques, and specific landscaping ideas around the pond to enhance its beauty and health. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding pond maintenance. Remember, a well-maintained pond is not just a beautiful addition to your garden but also a thriving ecosystem supporting life and nature. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.